Enjoy watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to our guide on spring kitchen farmhouse-style decor ideas, where we explore simple yet charming ways to infuse your kitchen with the warmth and elegance of farmhouse aesthetics. Transform your kitchen into a cozy and inviting space perfect for the spring season. Vintage accents. Incorporate vintage kitchenware like enamelware pitchers, mason jars, and antique scales for a nostalgic farmhouse vibe. Fresh floral centerpiece. Create a stunning centerpiece using a bouquet of fresh spring flowers displayed in a rustic vase or mason jar. Distressed wood elements. Introduce distressed wood elements, such as reclaimed wood shelves or a wooden kitchen island, to add warmth and character. Farmhouse sink. Upgrade to a farmhouse-style sink with a deep basin and apron front, evoking a sense of traditional farmhouse living. Herb garden window. Create a charming herb garden on your kitchen windowsill, providing fresh herbs for cooking while adding greenery and life to your space. Linen tea towels. Display linen tea towels with classic stripes or floral patterns to add a touch of farmhouse elegance to your kitchen. Rustic wood flooring. Consider installing rustic wood flooring or adding a vintage-inspired rug to enhance the farmhouse ambience of your kitchen. Galvanized metal accents. Incorporate galvanized metal accents, such as utensil caddies, planters, or pendant lights for a touch of industrial farmhouse charm. Farmhouse table. Opt for a farmhouse-style dining table with a distressed finish and turned legs, perfect for family gatherings and casual meals. Mason jar pendant lights. Hang mason jar pendant lights above your kitchen island or dining area to illuminate the space with a cozy glow. Wicker baskets. Use wicker baskets for storing produce, kitchen linens, or cooking essentials, adding texture and organization to your farmhouse kitchen. Chalkboard wall. Create a chalkboard wall in your kitchen for jotting down grocery lists, recipes, or daily reminders, adding both functionality and farmhouse style to the space. Farmhouse window treatments. Dress up your kitchen windows with simple and classic window treatments like line curtains, buffalo check valances, or wooden blinds to enhance the farmhouse aesthetic. Farmhouse pot rack. Install a farmhouse-style pot rack above your kitchen island or stove to display your collection of pots and pans, while freeing up cabinet space and adding a decorative touch. Vintage kitchen appliances. Incorporate vintage-inspired kitchen appliances like retro-style refrigerators or stoves in pastel colors to evoke a nostalgic farmhouse feel. Farmhouse dining nook. Create a cozy farmhouse-inspired dining nook in your kitchen with a built-in bench, rustic table, and mix and match chairs for casual family meals and gatherings. Farmhouse mug rack. Display your favorite mugs on a farmhouse-style mug rack mounted on the wall or placed on the countertop, adding charm and convenience to your morning coffee routine. Farmhouse cookbook display. Showcase your collection of cookbooks on open shelves or a dedicated book stand, adding personality and inspiration to your farmhouse kitchen decor. Seasonal centerpiece. Change up your kitchen centerpiece with each season, using items like pumpkins and gourds for fall, pine cones and evergreen branches for winter, and fresh fruits and flowers for spring and summer, adding seasonal flair to your farmhouse kitchen decor. We hope these spring kitchen farmhouse-style decor ideas have inspired you to add a touch of rustic charm and cozy elegance to your kitchen. With a few simple updates and thoughtful accents, you can create a welcoming space that celebrates the beauty of spring and the timeless appeal of farmhouse style.